Oh.
Hey guys, Bianca here, starting the vlog off today. Just had work. You guys are looking for Hamza. He's a bit busy at the moment. But yeah, we're just about to go do a hike, so we'll see you there.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, क्या हाल है भाई सबके, कैसे हैं सब लोग। भाई मैं अभी पूरे 27 घंटे की शिफ्ट मार के आया हूँ, पूरा 27 स्ट्रेट काम करके आया हूँ। मैं नहीं मानता। हालत बहुत ख़राब हुई है और हम लोग जा रहे हैं अभी हाइकिंग पे। हमारा काम पे प्लान बन गया था दोस्तों के साथ, बियांका, मेरा और होजे का, जो लास्ट टाइम आप लोगों ने बारबेक्यू वाले ब्लॉग में देखा होगा उनको। तो नींद बहुत ख़तरनाक वाली आ रही है मुझे, लेकिन कॉफ़ी वॉफ़ी पी ली है, सब कुछ अभी अब उड़ गई है नींद, इतना ज़्यादा काम वाम कर लिया, सब उड़ गया अब। तो खैर अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं हाइकिंग पे। ज़्यादा बड़ी हाइकिंग नहीं है, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से 30-35 मिनट्स की हाइकिंग होगी। सो वी आर जस्ट गोइंग ओवर देयर एंड बियांका इज़ कमिंग टू पिक मी अप। हम लोग सब लोग काम से घर आ गए हैं सब लोग, और बियांका ने मुझे ड्रॉप कर दिया था। और अब हम लोग कपड़े चेंज कर रहे हैं जल्दी और फिर वो वापसी पिक करने के लिए आ रही है और फिर हम लोग निकलेंगे। शायद नाश्ता भी कर लें हम लोग, तो देखते हैं। ठीक है, मैं कपड़े चेंज करके आता हूँ, फिर आप लोगों से बात करता हूँ आगे। हाँ तो भाई मैं हो गया हूँ रेडी और लॉक कर दिया और अब मैं निकल रहा हूँ घर से। उसने मुझे बुलाया कि 6 मिनट पहले उसने मुझे बोला था कि मैं 7 मिनट में आ रही हूँ, तो मेरे ख्याल से 1 मिनट में आने वाली होगी अगर मेरी कैलकुलेशन ठीक है तो। और उसने कहा था कि बस स्पोर्ट्स वाले कपड़े पहन लेना भाई, कोई से भी, तो हमने ही चढ़ा दिए। और होजे भी, हम लोग यहाँ से जाएंगे, पहले होजे को पिक करेंगे, देन आफ्टर दैट वी विल गो स्ट्रेट ओवर देयर। मौसम अच्छा हो रहा है आज, क्लाउडी वेदर है। वेट कर रहा हूँ उसका, पता नहीं कब आएगी। बियांका इज हियर गाइस, दूसरी गाड़ी में आई है तो। ऑलराइट गाइस, तो हम लोग निकल गए हैं। वी हैव लेफ्ट टू पिक होजे, बियांका।
We've left. We're on track, we're on time.
They're on time. She told me 7 minutes and it was 7 minutes.
Was it actually?
Yes. I called you at 7:35 and you were here at 7:42.
I'm impressed. Check engine light's on, but it's okay.
Engine light.
Engine light
This
is
car
on.
is actually good. This car is actually very good. Subaru.
Yeah, it's just a little bit of a
Spacious
whine.
car.
It's my brother's car.
Her brother's car. Where's your car?
At home. Actually, at the shop. Get
Why?
service.
Why?
Get service.
Why?
Get a new bullbar put on. Woo!
What is this? L plates?
There's P plates.
This P? Oh, yeah.
It's red P.
Red P. What about you?
Green P.
Oh, fuck's sake. Green
But hey,
fucking P.
that's all we're gonna do. Make do with what we got.
Usual day in Australia. These are the cockatoos. Cockatoos! Let's go, guys. Please.
And they sit on the road like this. That's what they do. Sit on the road and then they'll fly in front of your car. I'm like, see, he's really trying to fucking shoot me.
Guys, Jose is here. Come quick.
Kit for you, Hamza.
Oh. Fuck's sake, Hamza.
Oh my god.
So guys, we had a plan to go to the 1000 steps. So there's a place called 1000 Steps in Melbourne. Can you tell something about the 1000 Steps?
It's a fucking
It's 770
It's a scam,
steps.
bro. That's what it is.
Not 1,000.
It's a scam.
And it's just like a little trek up to the mountains. It's
Alright.
nice. It's a good place.
But we are going to a harder level.
Yeah, that's what we do. Yeah.
Yeah, because we don't need no
Yeah.
770 steps. Yeah.
I just checked on the Google where she is taking me. I don't know where it is. In somewhere in Dandenong. And it says that it's 4 times harder than the 1000 steps.
We
Hiking.
don't need the thumb.
4,000 steps.
These guys are used to do hiking and stuff, but I've never done any hiking, so
I'm a cunt.
I'm gone.
Cut it.
What a view, guys! What the hell? What am I doing? Please don't do that, please. Oh! She's swearing. She's swearing. She swears.
Delete it. Did you see that? He came onto my side of the road. I thought I was going to die.
We are here, guys.
Oh no, I can't park there. Oh,
We can't park there. No parking.
oh, what the
It's the red pea problems, bro.
Where are we
I'm not on my red
going? Everyone's here for a hike.
What's that?
Hamza, do you see the guys behind us? We have to raise them. Okay, we have to raise them.
Yeah, we're
Alright.
just on the top of the hill.
Alright.
I can get
Where is the hill? Over here.
We just actually fly down. We just jump off and then it takes us down.
Did
you bring your parents? Did you bring your parents?
guys.
I'm scared.
No, we're okay, bro. It's easy. It's like,
Bye bye car. Let's go.
We're on.
good.
I don't know what is happening today. I'm literally feeling nothing, bro. I've been awake since yesterday 5 a.m. No, 4 a.m. in the morning, and I slept 2 a.m. in the morning. So just 2 hours sleep.
We just sit.
I've been working.
Yeah.
We just have to sit here. Where?
And listen.
What is that?
Oh, tall. He's so tall.
Lambu.
Lambu. It's been just 37 seconds and I'm tired, guys.
Started.
We just started from there. And we have to go over there.
We're walking to the track. We're not
Bro, please don't run.
Please.
Please. थक गया मैं. We will make it, guys. Don't worry.
We'll carry you.
Yeah.
So there.
Where?
What? There.
Oh my lord.
Yeah, just edit it in.
Nice view. Let's go. This hike hasn't started yet. It's gonna start from there.
No.
You see, guys, see that?
No, it doesn't start.
Does it actually?
No, it starts at the top of the
It's so inclined. What are you doing?
Getting ready for this hike.
We have to
This
go
is-
over
what
there,
is this
guys.
shit?
Why did a fucking bucket have that?
Let's go.
Alright, we're starting.
You always need a stick.
Yeah, always need a
grab
stick.
Yeah.
For what?
Just, helps you make that
Extra level.
careful. Yeah.
ओह कहाँ आ गया मैं ये?
जमीन पर मौजूद पेड़ और झाड़ियां ज्यादा घने होते जा रही हैं और उनके बीच से गुजरना मुश्किल हो रहा है। ये झाड़ियां बहुत घनी हैं और अब ये दूसरे जंगल के ठीक बीचों बीच हैं। ऐसे जंगल में दिशा भटक जाना जानलेवा हो सकता है। इस इलाके में होने वाली 5 में से करीब 1 मौत इसलिए होती है क्योंकि सैलानी हड़बड़ाकर भटक जाते हैं।
Halfway.
We're going strong.
Killing it, come on. Give us some. 2 minutes. Over halfway. That's all. This is the views. Ooh.
7K down.
He's got nothing in here.
Almost there.
Be careful.
That's the view.
That's the city. You see the city in there.
That's the city.
To your left comes up. Oh, sorry, to your right. Right. Do you see that mountain?
Yeah.
That's Perth.
Fuck's sake. हाँ तो भाई हम लोग पहुंच गए यहाँ पर 30-35 मिनट्स की हाइक नहीं थी भाई, जिस तरह का इन्होंने बताया था ना वैसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं था। मैं ना ख़त्म हो चुका हूँ बिल्कुल हर जगह से। Where are we? Alright, so the magical view. Whoa! This is the magical view. Literally, you can see the whole Melbourne from here. City's over there. Can you go, Mike?
What hill?
Whoa! Just slide from here.
You can slide.
No, please.
Please don't.
Fuck's sake.
Please don't.
Bianca.
Acrophobia is way too high for this shit, bro.
Oh, guys.
Get back up. I swear to God, Bianca. You have no idea.
Don't do fucking stupid stuff.
What? Fucking face, bro.
Bro, I'm literally, yeah, that aunt. She came here by herself.
Hamza, don't call her a cunt.
I'm
Don't call her a cunt. She's a.
I
She's
said
a lover.
aunt.
Okay. Place or don't come pop. Yeah, I would be surprised. If you. You good? Let's go. Come on.
Let's go, guys.
Let's go back down. Let's
Pictures done. Good pictures done.
Get up.
Please take me, please.
Careful.
Oh. Let's go. This is the worst part. We just have to slide down. I think to just roll.
This is the worst part of things.
Become Taz. That fucking
I
time.
was choking the whole time. This is the worst part. I'm gonna be careful for real. Get off your phone. Jesus.
Guys, I'm taking this risk just because of you guys. Just for you guys. Oh. She made it finally. Ha 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 ha.
Oh, you gotta be rude like that. Let's fast forward to, what, 20 minutes ago?
Okay, bye bye. See you guys. Alright, bye.
I'm gonna be careful for real though.
Yeah, bro, I know. So, guys, update. These guys, at the incline time, they were pretty good. And now, they are tired. This is Hamza Raza Khan, guys. He is pretty chill at the moment. Since the start up till now. Oh. मेरी किस्मत ही खराब है, मेरी किस्मत ही खराब है। चोट लग गई।
That's what you get when you talk shit. That's what you get.
A big round of applause for Hamza Raza Khan. Oh, again. again, guys, again. Woo-hoo. So we finally made it to the bottom again, guys. It was a very good adventure. Whoever is living in Melbourne, who is new, they should come over here. Literally, they should come. And जो पाकिस्तान में भी रहते हैं वो भी आ जाओ भाई, ऑस्ट्रेलिया आ जाओ, बस मेलबर्न यहाँ पर आ जाओ, बस मजा आ जाएगा।
Mud still on his back. Woo! So this is it. Wow. Woo!
Flower for the flower. Here's a bee inside. Flower. Alright, finally made it, guys. Way back to home. It was so good, literally it was worth it. What are your reviews?
Lovely. Yeah.
And
Amazing, like always.
yeah, she was born over here. She have done that
Yeah.
like
This is
100.
my Pakistan.
Yeah, this is Pakistan.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Oh! Say bye to Jose.
See you guys. Take care next time.
It was a very good trip.
Pleasure.
See you, fam. Take care.
See you soon.
Yeah, fine chat. Let's go. Go, cut, go. So guys, we are home. Say bye to the
Bye
legend.
guys. I'll see you next vlog.
हाँ तो भाई मैं घर पे आ गया हूँ और कपड़े वपड़े चेंज कर लिए हैं और अब मैं बिल्कुल ख़त्म हो चुका हूँ भाई मुझे बहुत सारी नींद चाहिए तो मैं बस अब सोने लगा हूँ और मैं आप लोगों से जल्द मिलूँगा नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में शायद मैं बीच जाऊँगा तो आप लोगों को बीच दिखाऊँगा फिर एंड दिस ट्रिप वॉज लिटरली वेरी गुड आई वॉज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट इट वुड बी दैट गुड बट इट वॉज लिटरली वेरी गुड बहुत मज़ा आया थक गए थे लेकिन एडवेंचर था लेकिन बहुत मज़ा आया और आगे भी अच्छे अच्छे एडवेंचर्स में लेके चलूँगा कैंपिंग वैम्पिंग बोटिंग में हर जगह पे लेके चलूँगा तो इंशाल्लाह अभी तो स्टार्ट है चलता रहेगा सब कुछ दिखाऊँगा आपको और कुछ तो मिलते हैं फिर इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में और तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिए टेक केयर्स अल्लाह हाफिज़ पीस आउट